Hello, I'm Dr. Amy Bandy, plastic and reconstructive surgeon with offices in both Newport Beach, California and Torrance, California, and thank you for visiting us today. I'm going to be talking a little bit about body enhancement surgery. Oftentimes I will see patients who come in who aren't happy with the general look of their body, typically the trunk area, oftentimes the thighs, but even the arms. And for women who are at their ideal or close to ideal body weight, and they have certain areas that just disturb them or bother them as far as being out of proportion, oftentimes liposuction or lipo filling or even micro liposuction is the perfect ideal solution to get a better overall shape to your body and without weight loss, so to speak, because these are women who are already at their ideal weight. Another patient who will come to see me will be women who have had a long-standing dietary issues and they are overweight. After that, they've been to see perhaps the gastric surgeon, the bariatric surgeon, and now have had rapid weight loss and have a lot of loose hanging skin. So as you can see, we've got two completely different issues to deal with. So body enhancement surgery can be a multitude of procedures depending on what your goals are to achieve the body that you're looking to attain. For the woman who has very good skin texture and turgor and not much looseness to the skin and have areas of fullness that they want to improve, liposuction's often the ideal solution. But for women who have loose hanging abdominal skin, whether in the thighs, in the tummy, in the arms, or breasts, then typically a more strategic surgery would be to do an excisional surgery where the skin is tightened around those loose areas. And sometimes a combination of both of those are performed. Women who have lost turgor and elasticity of their abdominal tissues after having children or rapid weight loss, tummy tuck or abdominoplasty can often solve that issue and give them an absolutely beautiful body that they could have never dreamed that they could have. But the woman who's lost a very large amount of weight, 60 pounds or more, oftentimes it takes more than just a tummy tuck. They may need what's called a complete body lift, where in addition to tightening the skin around the abdomen, that needs to be extended further into the back area so that the lower back and buttocks can be treated to get a better proportion. And this requires a surgery that is a total body lift, which we do all the way around the trunk of the body. And oftentimes this is the same patient who comes in and sees me and says, but I don't like how loose my skin is on my inner thighs. And this is when we have to have a discussion about a thigh lift and whether or not a thigh lift is the ideal procedure for them. With a thigh lift, again, incisions are involved where the skin is incised and the tissues are lifted and tucked and additional excess skin is removed. The arms are another situation. For a woman who has arms that are just overly full with fat, liposuction can give you an absolutely beautiful result without having to have invasive surgical excision surgery. And for women who are young and have good skin turgor and good elasticity without stretch marks, liposculpting of the arms is a beautiful answer. However, again, like I said, there's on the other coin, there's the patient who comes in who's had rapid weight loss, either by dietary measures or bariatric surgery, and now they not only have additional fat, but they've got loose hanging skin that some people like to refer as the bat wing deformity because their skin hangs so much that it is not an aesthetically pleasing look to them. This woman would be the ideal candidate for what we call an arm lift or a brachioplasty. Oftentimes the incision is hidden on the interior part of the arm so that when your arms are at rest, you do not see the scar, And in doing so, you are able to remove a very large quantity of skin and give that person back the nice look to their arms that they had in their youth. There are so many combinations to body sculpting and body enhancement that, because it is an individual decision and each individual has a different complaint of what they would like to achieve to have their ideal body or a close to ideal body, because of this, I like to offer a complimentary consultation so that when you come to see me, we're able to thoroughly discuss what your goals are. I'm able to examine you and see what your starting point is, so that together we can make the decision what we need to move forward with to bring you to your ultimate body beautiful. And thank you again for visiting our video today, and we can be seen on the website at www.drbandy.com, and please visit us on Twitter and become a fan on Facebook. Thank you.